Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and I'm going to show you how to make a sandwich in 60 seconds.
Got the wild green croissant fresh out of the oven, warm, artichoke spreads going on both sides of that. And we got our prosciutto di Parma sliced nice and thin with the paper in between, because if you know, you know. Let's add a little happiness to your life. Put that fresh mozzarella on there. If you're from the East Coast, it's mozzarella. If your parents didn't make the boat, it's mozzarella. Anyway, salt, pepper, garlic powder. That's right, I use garlic powder. It doesn't matter, I don't care. It's my sandwich. Arugula, give it a little crunch. Then what we're going to do is, we got our friends over at Bono who gave us this great olive oil. Going to drizzle a little bit of that on it. Hit it with the balsamic glaze. And I like lemon. I love the way the lemon comes together with the arugula, the artichoke spread, the meats, the cheese. Yeah, pure happiness. Come on, you can't do better than this.
Yeah, this sandwich is on a French croissant, but the heart and soul of this is all Italian. You got the prosciutto, the fresh mozzarella, the arugula, the artichoke spread. I don't care what kind of bread it's on. We know what kind of sandwich this is. And that's another sandwich in 60 seconds. And from my house to yours, bon appetit.